How to create a WeChat account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can create a WeChat account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing that you'll need to do is make sure that you have the WeChat app. You can easily get it from your Google Play Store or App Store. After you get it, open it up, and after you open it up, this is what it should look like. Here, all you then need to do is tap on the sign up button on the bottom right corner. Here you'll find different options. First is to sign up with mobile, second is to sign up with Facebook, the third is to sign up with Apple. It's the other way around anyways, so tap on whichever option fits you the most. I'll just tap on sign up with mobile number, and all you need to here do is type in your name, your region, your phone number, and then your password. After doing that, you can simply tap on accept and continue. So just tap on accept and continue, and after you do that, you will need to accept to the terms and conditions for WeChat, and after the security verification, you'll just get logged into WeChat. So that's the first method. The second is by tapping on sign up with Facebook. Simply tap on continue, and after doing that, you can simply tap on continue as yourself, and with that you'll have just log into your account. Now since I already have an account, it's giving me an option to log in instead of sign up. So yeah, that's basically how you create a WeChat account. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.